What is it like inside a Scientology Celebrity Center? Have you ever wondered what it feels like to step inside a Scientology Celebrity Center? These unique spaces are designed specifically for artists, politicians, and other influential figures. While they are open to the general public, the main focus is on serving those who are prominent in their fields and interested in Scientology's teachings. The first Celebrity Center opened in Los Angeles in 1969. This was part of a larger plan to create a welcoming environment for celebrities to learn about Scientology. The initiative began with L. Ron Hubbard's Project Celebrity in 1955, which aimed to use the influence of famous individuals to promote Scientology. When you walk into a celebrity center, you will find various facilities tailored to the needs of its members. There are auditing rooms where individuals can receive spiritual counseling. Training rooms are available for those looking to learn Scientology techniques. Social areas provide spaces for networking and community activities. The centers often host events featuring well-known speakers and performers, creating a lively atmosphere. The culture inside a celebrity center is supportive and inclusive. Members are encouraged to apply Scientology's principles in their personal and professional lives. This focus on spiritual growth and success creates a unique environment where artists and leaders can connect with like-minded individuals. For those involved in creative fields or leadership roles, the celebrity centers offer practical tools to improve creativity and productivity. Workshops and seminars cover topics like communication skills, ethics, and personal development. These activities are designed to help individuals reach their goals while positively impacting their communities. Today, there are several celebrity centers located around the world, including in the United States and Europe. This global presence allows Scientology to connect with a diverse range of influential people and provide them access to its teachings. In the context of Scientology's history, the establishment of celebrity centers reflects the Church's strategy to engage with society through its most influential members. By creating a welcoming environment, Scientology aims to spread its message and principles more widely. So, if you ever get the chance to visit a celebrity center, you will find a space dedicated to fostering connections and personal growth among some of the most notable figures in various industries.